Your car doesn't need a new part. It needs you to know the truth. Here are 13 insider tips mechanics definitely don't want you to hear. Many drivers are advised to replace their brake pads every 20,000 miles, but this isn't a one-size-fits-all rule. Brake pad longevity varies based on driving habits and conditions. For instance, highway driving can extend brake life up to 70,000 miles, while city driving may necessitate replacements sooner. It's essential to monitor for signs like squealing noises or reduced braking efficiency, rather than relying solely on mileage. A common and often overlooked cause of the check engine light is a loose or faulty gas cap. This can trigger the vehicle's EVAP system to detect a vapor leak, illuminating the warning light. Before heading to a mechanic, ensure your gas cap is tightened properly. If the light persists, consider replacing the cap, as worn seals can also be culprits. Engine flushes are marketed as a way to clean your engine's internals, but they're not always necessary. Modern engines, especially those using synthetic oils, typically don't require flushes if regular oil changes are maintained. Unnecessary flushes can dislodge debris, potentially causing more harm than good. Always consult your vehicle's manual or a trusted mechanic before opting for this service. If your car struggles to start, the issue might be as simple as corroded or loose battery terminals. Corrosion can impede electrical flow, leading to starting problems. Regularly inspect your battery terminals, clean off any corrosion, and ensure connections are tight. This simple maintenance can prevent unexpected breakdowns. Replacing your cabin air filter at a dealership can cost between $76 and $113, including labor. However, most filters are accessible and can be replaced at home with minimal tools. DIY replacement can cost as little as $10 to $40 for the filter itself. Regularly changing this filter ensures clean air inside your vehicle and optimal HVAC performance. Most people clean their battery terminals but forget to protect them. Dielectric grease is a silicone-based product that you can apply after cleaning to prevent future corrosion. It doesn't interfere with the electrical connection and helps your battery last longer by maintaining solid contact and blocking moisture. You can buy a small tube for under $5, much cheaper than dealing with electrical faults or battery replacement. Foggy headlights don't always need expensive restoration kits or replacement. Rubbing a small amount of whitening toothpaste or WD-40 with a microfiber cloth can temporarily clear the haze. It won't be permanent, but it's an affordable fix that improves visibility and your car's look. You'll need to redo it every few months, but it can delay costly replacements. Warming up your car for 10+ minutes in the winter wastes fuel and can harm your engine. Modern engines are designed to drive off after just 30 seconds to 1 minute of idling. Over-idling can strip oil from the cylinders, increasing wear. Instead, drive gently for the first few minutes. Underinflated tires reduce fuel efficiency and wear out faster. Even a drop of 5 psi can cost you miles per gallon and increase the risk of a blowout. Check tire pressure monthly and use the PSI listed in your car's door jamb, not the one on the tire itself. It's a small habit that can save you hundreds in gas and tire replacement. People often wait for mileage intervals to change their oil, but that's not always smart. If you rarely drive, moisture and contaminants can still degrade the oil. Experts recommend changing your oil every 6 to 12 months, even if you haven't hit the mileage mark. Neglecting this can cause sludge buildup and long-term engine damage. Over time, the fuel you use leaves behind dirt and carbon deposits inside your engine. These buildups can reduce your car's performance and make it use more gas than necessary. A fuel system cleaner is a special liquid you pour into your gas tank, and it cleans out those dirty parts inside your fuel system. Why it matters? It helps your car run smoother, improves gas mileage, and can even extend the life of your engine. You don't need to be a mechanic. Just buy a cleaner from a gas station or auto store, pour it into your tank when you fill up, and let it do the work. Use it about once a month for best results. Your engine needs oil to keep all its moving parts working smoothly. There are two main types of oil, regular and synthetic. Synthetic oil is made to last longer, handle extreme heat and cold better, and keep your engine cleaner. Why it matters? Yes, it's a little more expensive, but you can go longer between oil changes and your engine will thank you for it. It helps your car start easier in cold weather, and it protects better when the engine gets hot. Over time, it can actually save you money and reduce engine wear. Your car's engine needs clean air to work properly. If the air filter is dirty, your engine has to work harder, which means more fuel use and worse performance. Why it matters. You can check the air filter yourself. Just open the hood and pull it out. If it looks dusty or clogged, it's time to clean or replace it. A clean air filter can improve your fuel efficiency by up to 10%, and your car will drive more smoothly too. It's cheap, easy, and takes just a few minutes. When you drive, your front and back tires wear out at different rates. If you don't rotate them regularly, some tires wear out faster than others, and that means you'll need to replace them sooner. Why it matters. Rotating your tires, switching front to back and vice versa, helps them wear evenly, which makes them last longer. It also gives you better grip on the road and improves safety. Most mechanics will do it during an oil change for a small fee, or you can learn to do it yourself. There are small devices called fuel saver chips, or OBD2 performance chips, that plug into your car's diagnostic port, usually under the steering wheel. They adjust your car's computer to help use fuel more efficiently. Why it matters. These chips are made to help your car learn your driving habits and make small improvements that add up, like better fuel economy and smoother engine performance. They don't work miracles, but over months of driving, they can save you money, especially on long trips or daily commutes.